Ever wondered how the world's most successful people seem to know everyone and get everywhere? They leverage the power of partnerships and networking. Welcome to the gateway of a journey that will uncover the secret behind the exponential growth of many top performers across various sectors. Today, we're taking a step into the world of our course, The Power of Partnerships, Collaboration and Networking Mastery, a program designed to equip you with the knowledge and strategies to leverage collaborations and networking for your growth. In today's interconnected world, partnerships and networking are not just beneficial, they're crucial. They open doors to opportunities, help you learn from different perspectives, and expedite your path to success. This course is a roadmap to mastering these essential skills, and this video is a concise summary of its key insights. We'll start by exploring the art of collaboration. Not all partnerships are created equal, and understanding the foundations of successful collaborations can dramatically improve your outcomes. You'll learn about the benefits of partnering with others in your niche and how to navigate the delicate balance of give and take that these relationships require. Next, we'll delve into networking strategies. Building meaningful professional relationships is an art in itself, and you'll learn about the key lessons that can help you become a networking virtuoso. From making a great first impression to maintaining long-term connections, these strategies will serve as your guide. We'll then move on to identifying collaborative opportunities. In a world brimming with potential partners, knowing how to find and evaluate these opportunities is a must. You'll gain insights into how to approach potential partners and initiate collaborations that benefit all parties involved. Last but not least, we'll touch on collaborative content creation. Creating content with partners can exponentially increase your reach and impact. You'll learn about planning, executing, and promoting collaborative projects to maximize their potential. By the end of this video, you will gain an understanding of the vital takeaways from our comprehensive course. So get ready to step into the world of partnerships and networking and unlock the potential that these powerful tools hold for your growth. Module 1 dives into the heart of effective collaborations. This pivotal part of the course peels back the layers of collaboration, revealing its core components and how they intertwine to create a harmonious partnership. Let's start with the basics. Collaboration is the act of working together to achieve a common goal. It's about combining strengths, merging ideas, and creating something that is greater than the sum of its parts. It's like a symphony, where each instrument plays its part to create a harmonious melody. In the realm of content creation, collaborations can take on many forms, from guest appearances on podcasts or YouTube channels to co-hosting events or co-creating content. The beauty of collaboration lies in its benefits. It can open doors to new audiences, amplify your reach, and diversify your content. It fosters innovation as different minds bring unique perspectives and fresh ideas to the table. It's also an avenue for learning, as you can gain insights from your collaborators' experiences and expertise. However, successful collaborations don't just happen. They are built. And how are they built? By establishing meaningful partnerships. This goes beyond a mere transactional exchange. It's about building relationships based on mutual respect, shared values, and common objectives. It's about finding those who resonate with your vision and can contribute to your journey just as you can contribute to theirs. A crucial aspect of establishing meaningful partnerships is communication. Clear, open, and honest communication forms the backbone of effective collaborations. It's about articulating your goals, expectations, and concerns while also listening and understanding those of your partner. It's about negotiating and compromising to find the sweet spot where both parties can thrive. And speaking of thriving, let's delve into the importance of shared goals. A collaboration is a journey you embark on together, and for this journey to be fruitful, there needs to be a clear destination. Shared goals provide this destination. They align the efforts of all parties involved, ensuring everyone is working towards the same end. They also foster accountability, as each party is responsible for contributing towards these shared goals. But remember, collaboration is not a one-way street. It's not just about what you can gain from the partnership, but also about what you can give. It's about adding value to your partner just as they add value to you. It's about growing together, learning together, and succeeding together. So, as you venture into the world of collaboration, keep these insights in mind. Seek partnerships that resonate with your values and vision. Communicate openly and honestly. Align your efforts towards shared goals. And above all, remember that collaboration is a two-way street. It's about giving as much as it is about gaining. Remember, collaboration is not just about gaining, but also about giving and growing together. Module 2 equips you with the tools needed to excel at networking. Now let's dive into what these tools are and how to use them effectively. One of the critical lessons from this module is understanding the essence of networking. It's not merely about accumulating a stack of business cards or having a long list of contacts on your LinkedIn profile. Networking is about building relationships. It's about connecting with others on a level that goes beyond the surface. It's about finding common ground, sharing ideas, and learning from each other. Networking is a dance of give and take. You offer value, and in turn, you gain value. This could be in the form of knowledge, opportunities, or simply a fresh perspective. Remember, the goal is not to see how many people you can connect with, but rather how deeply you can connect with people. Next, we highlight the importance of active listening in networking. Active listening is not just about hearing what the other person is saying, but genuinely understanding their perspective. It's about showing empathy, asking insightful questions, and providing thoughtful feedback. By doing so, you show respect for their ideas and make them feel valued. This not only builds trust, but also opens doors to deeper, more meaningful conversations. Another key lesson is the power of persistence and patience in building long-term relationships. Networking is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It takes time to nurture relationships and see the fruits of your networking efforts. So don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Stay committed, be consistent, and remember, good things take time. We also explore the concept of networking up, or connecting with people who are more experienced or successful than you in your field. This can be a powerful strategy for learning, growing, and accelerating your progress. However, it's important to approach these relationships with a mindset of mutual benefit. Consider what value you can bring to them rather than just what you can gain. Finally, we delve into the art of following up. Following up is an integral part of networking that often gets overlooked. It's the key to turning a one-time interaction into an ongoing relationship. A simple message expressing your appreciation for the conversation or sharing a relevant article or resource can go a long way in keeping the connection alive. In summary, networking is a multifaceted process that requires strategic thinking, active listening, and consistent effort. It's about building meaningful relationships that are mutually beneficial and stand the test of time. And remember, networking is not just about making connections, it's about making the right connections. Module 3 guides you in scouting for potential partnership opportunities. This section is all about finding and seizing the right opportunities to collaborate, and it's where the magic really starts. You see, identifying potential partners is both an art and a science. It's about understanding your niche, recognizing the value others bring, and spotting opportunities where a partnership could be mutually beneficial. But it's not just about picking anyone. The key is to find partners who share your values and vision, those who are as committed to the partnership as you are. So how do you find these golden opportunities? Well, the first step is to immerse yourself in your field. Attend industry events, follow thought leaders on social media, join relevant forums and communities. The more you engage with your industry, the more you'll understand it, and the better you'll be at spotting potential partners. Once you've identified potential partners, the next step is to evaluate them. Does their audience align with yours? Do they share your values and goals? Can you bring something unique to the table that they might lack? Remember, a good partnership is a two-way street. It's not just about what you can gain, but also what you can offer. Now, here comes the tricky part: approaching potential partners. You want to be professional, but also genuine. Start by building a relationship. Engage with their content, show an interest in their work, and when the time feels right, propose your idea. Be clear about what you propose, why you think they'd be a good fit, and how the partnership could benefit both parties. In a nutshell, Module 3 is your roadmap to identifying, evaluating, and approaching potential partners. It equips you with the skills to sniff out potential partnerships and the strategies to approach those opportunities with confidence. Opportunities are everywhere, but it's the eye for potential that makes all the difference. The knowledge from this course can be a game changer for your career or business. We've journeyed through the art of collaboration, effective networking strategies, identifying opportunities, and even co-creating content with partners. This is just the tip of the iceberg. By enrolling in the full course, you'll dive deeper into each module, uncovering strategies to leverage partnerships and networks for incredible growth. So, don't wait. Forge ahead and harness the power of partnerships and networking for exponential growth.